Okay, hi William. Okay, so this is your dashboard, and so once you come into your dashboard, you're going to click in to go into the class. So this, for example, is my class. So we are in week 2, so that's where I'm going to go. You're going to click on the new Flipgrid. This is where I have the new Flipgrid that we're going to use. So then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this information here, you're going to copy it. Then you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to put that in there. So you're going to paste it, you're going to go. This is the topic for today where it says, how do you handle loneliness? So then you're going to come down here and then you're going to click the green button and you're going to record your video. Okay, it's going to tell you to log in. So you're going to log in with Google because that's what your Gmail account is. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so that's going to be for this topic here that says the Flipgrid. Okay. Then for ReadWorks, you're going to click on there. It's going to have nothing on there because you need to go to ReadWorks to get the account. Okay, and you're going to start here where it says student login. You're going to log in with Google because again, you already have the Mount Sac Gmail account. Okay, then you're going to want to enter this code here. 7V4DAY. That is the class code. You're going to go to assignments, and then you're going to see that that is where the assignments are for the content that we are using. Okay? So those are the two things. Now, on Tuesday when we meet, you're going to log into the class. Okay, this is what you're going to see. Then you're going to come over here to where it says conferences. So every Tuesday at 1 o'clock, there's going to be a conference. So usually it's going to be here. There's going to be a button that says join, and then you're just going to click join, and then it will be kind of like a Zoom class, but it'll have all the content that we need. Okay, so that is how we're going to be meeting. Let me know if you have questions.